Alright, welcome back guys. In this video, I wanted to show you the productivity system that I use to run my business and my personal life. So what happens is normally our brain is not made to keep all these things in our brain. So whether it's your reminders, whether it's your personal lifestyle things, whether it's your business. So this productivity system has really helped me organize my life. And personally, I love making notes. So I have been trying and making a perfect system for many years, not months, many years. I have done a lot of changes. Now it looks very simple and you might think, how does it take so many years? But there's a lot of experimentation that I have done to see what really works. So it's not just about creating a dashboard which looks pretty, which looks neat and clean, but also about what really works. So previously, what I was doing is making a dashboard where I can read everything on a single page, right? That was one of my experiments, and I used that system for a very long time where I could read about finance, about my business, about my personal lifestyle, all the notes in single page. But the problem is after experimenting for few months, I think even a couple of years, I actually used that system. It's only recently that I realized that for entrepreneurs and business owners like us, sometimes we are in a different mood. Sometimes we are in a mood to work on clients. Sometimes we are in a mood to do productivity, in a mood to do marketing. So not every day is same, and I cannot plan my whole month that this day I will do this day I will do this. I cannot function like this. Every day is different. So that's the reason every category deserves its own dashboard. So finance needs its own dashboard, business needs its own dashboard. So if I'm in a mood to do my business work, then I come to business dashboard. And if I go to productivity, it has my productivity notes. So I'm just trying to give you an idea that this is the master dashboard, a second brain. I got this term from a video that I saw from Tiago Forte, and he named it as second brain. Why? Because we cannot keep everything in this brain. We need a second brain system where we can actually keep all the notes, organize our life. And this system is, by the way, built in a tool called Notion. I personally love this tool because you can do a lot of customizations and it's very neat and clean. You can do callouts. So this one is basically a callout box, for example. So when I do this callout, it makes a box like this, and then I make another page inside it, and then I click on it and I can start my own notes. And again, I can add a page, call out, heading, bullet list, or I can add an image, I can add a video. There's a lot of things you can do. But in this video, my whole idea is not to give you how Notion works, but basically how you can really organize your life. And trust me, if you do this, if you are able to make this dashboard, your life will be organized. Like for example, I have this urgent section where I keep all the due dates. So if any due date, any invoice payment, I need to make any bill payments, anything coming very soon, I do not have to worry about it because I know every single morning I come to this dashboard. And in this dashboard, the first thing I do is, let me just remove this, come to my urgent section, and then another section I have is less urgent, which is for next 4 months, 6 months, maybe up to 1 year, whatever I need to do, that goes in the less urgent section. So here I have two sections which actually already organizing all my reminders. And I have done a lot of to-dos list. I have used all the tools that you can think of, Evernote and to-do list, all those kind of things. They didn't work for me, and I personally noted that this is the best way to do it. And no matter what other productivity gurus tell you, but the more you use different tools, worse it's gonna make it worse for you, because now you have another problem of managing the tools. Now you have another problem of going through different tools every day. So you never use different tools for notes. Just use one tool, and that's why I love Notion, because I'm keeping everything in one tool. Okay. So another thing is, if I want you to categorize your life, divide your life in these categories. This really works. Finance has my future finance planning, tax related notes, those sort of things. Then your personal interest, spiritual. Why spiritual? I personally read a lot. These days I'm very busy, but whenever I get a time or when I get weekend I read spiritual self-help books, those kind of thing, non-fiction books. So that goes everything in that. Personal lifestyle, I put everything in there, like any reminders, any personal health related notes, your medical records, whatever you can think of, you can put in the personal, whatever you think it helps you. Because so many times we see that something really helped us, whether it's in the personal health, medical, even in relationship, but the same thing that we figured 2 years back, now we already forgot that. So whatever works for you in your life, put that in the notes, because after 1 year, 2 year, you will forget that. Trust me, life happens, so many things happens. If you figured out something that really works for you, that's way better than reading any book or blog. So put that in the notes. Same thing for productivity, any productivity notes, ideas, and then education. If I have taken any courses, paid courses, the best investment is to invest in yourself. So invest in yourself, watch these kind of videos. By the way, if you like this video, hit the like button and make sure you share with your partner, your life partner, husband, wife, or your business partner, your friends, colleagues. So if their life is organized, it's going to help you. If they're messed up, they're going to give trouble to you. So make sure you also subscribe to this channel. I hope this second brain idea is something that will help you in future organizing your life. And don't put everything in this brain. This brain is not made, it's proven, it's not made to keep all these things. There's like hundreds of pages here in what hidden behind this. So this brain is not able to remember or categorize all of that and not able to organize that. And once you make this kind of system, you do not have to worry about remembering things. So this will really help you organize your personal life. Plus also it helps you grow your business. It has really helped me in my business. I don't have to worry about any knowledge that I gained in the past. Everything is here now. I don't have to remember it. Okay. So, all right. I hope this helps. And if it adds some value to your life, please like and let me know in the comments what you think of this video. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.